Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. Hey, remember this 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 classes? Remember, my first video have a class on it. Barely face it. Q&A. I don't know about the Q&A. Barely 10 on a mark. Like all stupid. Oh, I have a YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my promoting this channel. Great. This is my friend's channel called look siblings PH TV. That's his channel. Search siblings PH TV. I'm promoting your channel, Christoph. I'm promoting your channel. I'm promoting your channel, Christoph. Barely promoting your channel. I am a YouTuber myself. A 21 subscriber mark. I don't know. I'm not needing a gaming video. A gaming video for. I'm a blind. Gaming video for me. Yep. Anyone? Yes. Barely like only to free. Sige po. To freedom. Maybe. I am a blind student. This is my video. Next Sunday, I uploading the the one vlog per month. In the no, every single day I will vlog. Damn it! No, I'm not gonna vlog every single day. Meron akong work. Oh, work something else. Yeah, work. Barely any doing your barely. So much to do, so much little time. You subscribe, like, share, share, and subscribe in my channel. This is my video. Peace out.